There is a human claw machine at Vidcon. This is Squishmallow Heaven.